Hey y'all, you can see my skin probably looks a little shiny right now. That's because I just got done with my skincare routine. If you guys haven't seen my skincare routine, I'll link that on the screen for y'all so y'all can go and check that out. Shout out to Kendra's Boutique for the pretty bow that I have on my head. That's a video that's coming up very soon. Y'all stay tuned for that. Let's get right into the makeup look. So if y'all have watched my updated everyday makeup routine, y'all know that I've been using the Fenty Beauty eyebrow pencil lately. So this is the Fenty Beauty Brow MVP. This is in the color Deep Black. So we're just gonna get these eyebrows going. Alright, y'all see these brows? Y'all see them? Yeah, they're very freaking cute. I don't know why lately my brows has been coming out different every time I do them, but it's probably because I need my brows done. So yeah, y'all know as always I use my Born This Way concealer to carve out my eyebrows. This one is in chestnut, so I'm going to use the same thing to prime my eyelid. Alrighty, so eyelids are primed. In case I didn't say it in the intro, which I'm pretty sure I did, I'm gonna go ahead and say it now. This is a fall glam makeup tutorial. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Oh my gosh, y'all, I forgot to gel down my eyebrows. But y'all know I use ColourPop's Brow Boss Gel in clear to lay my eyebrows down. Wow, I don't know how I forgot that. Alright, they look much better now. Okay, so as I was saying, we are going to be doing a fall glam makeup tutorial because y'all, it's getting cold outside. I feel like everybody loves the fall time. Most people love the fall time. I love fall. It's like one of my favorite seasons. You would think because I'm born in August and I'm a Leo that my favorite season would be summer. It's not. It's definitely fall. So I think the main palette that I'm going to be tapping into today is the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. Actually, no, it's not. No, it's not. I'm going to go back to my all-time favorite eyeshadow palette. Y'all should already know what this is, but in case you don't, the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. Y'all, when I first got this, my favorite palette, like I used it for everything, and honestly, I'm not even gonna flex with y'all. I had forgot I had it until like 3 days ago when I was straightening up my makeup desk, and I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot I had that palette. So this is the palette we're gonna use. And y'all see all these colors. You have a lot of neutrals and basically a lot of fall colors. Like if I look right here in this little area, all of these colors remind me of fall. So that's the color we're gonna use. Y'all, I keep scratching my nose. It's itching so bad. I don't know what's wrong with my nose. It's itching so bad. I don't know. The first color we're gonna tap into, I'm gonna take this brush by Morphe. It's just a pointer brush. The first color we're gonna tap into is, I think I'm going to touch into Roxanne, which is this dark color. I think I'm going to, actually no. So I'm going to touch into Roxanne and then I'm going to mix that with Hunt's, both of these neutral shades right here. I'm going to mix those two colors and make a beautiful transition color. Alrighty, now that we have that color on our lid, I'm going to take a buffer brush. Yeah, I'm going to take a buffing brush and kind of blend that color out just a little bit more. I think I'm going to tap into Buns, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to just blend that color out just a little bit. Alrighty. So I think I'm going to make a cut crease without like actually cutting the crease. I'm going to take this color, well this shimmer, Queen, this gold shimmer. And I'm going to apply that right to the middle of my lid. Not bringing it all the way to the inner corner, but just really on the middle. Alrighty. And then I'm going to tap into this color Firework, and I'm just going to add that to the front of my lid. And as y'all can see, as I was adding the shimmers, I was kind of mixing the two, so it created this nice little ombre effect. Alrighty. So that is all for the eyes. As y'all can see, very cute, very fall time. So I'm just going to take a makeup brush and just get some of that fall out. I want to just make a really thin line on my eyelid. I don't want to wing it out, just kind of make a nice thin black line. Alrighty, so now that we have our wing, well not our wing, our liner on our eyes, we're just going to go ahead and add our mascara. Right. Now we're going to go ahead and add our lashes, which I'm probably not going to show y'all find my lashes. I'm probably going to skip right through it. Alright y'all, lashes are on. So that's pretty much everything for the eyes. So let's move right on into skin. As always, Fenty Beauty Primer, Instant Retouch Primer. We're going to go in with our Benefit Professional Primer. As always, just get those spots that tend to go a little more oily than others. Alright, so we're all primed up. So now we're going to go on with our Born This Way Too Faced foundation. This is in Tiramisu. Of course, y'all know we have to highlight, going in with that same concealer that we used earlier. Gosh, okay, my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna try and speed this up. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes with my Fenty Beauty setting powder in Nutmeg. Y'all see how the Fenty Beauty setting powder just transformed my whole face? Like, it just makes everything look together and drink it in. So now, of course, we're going to go in with our Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Mahogany. Alrighty, now I'm going to contour my nose. Now we're going to go ahead and set everything with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Y'all noticed my camera died, so I'm trying to hurry up and film this because I just charged it for like 10 minutes so I could film this outro. So as y'all can see, I went with Old Faithful on the wig, honey, because this wig is going to come through whenever I need it to. Okay, so yes, this is the completed makeup look. Y'all know, per usual, for the lips, I just did a dark brown lip liner, and then ColourPop's Ultra Glossy Lip in Snow Day.